Hi guys! What's up? Welcome to my vlog. My name is Jeff. Meron tayong masarap na food para sa ating breakfast. Meron tayong so healthy and so yummy vegetable salad at healthy din na paksyo na fish. Gawa tayo ng ating vegetable salad. Slice of green bell pepper, carrot, whole kernel core, cucumber, beetroots at yung ating litos. Lalagyan lang natin ito guys ng olive oil, lemon juice at salt and pepper to taste. Napakayami at healthy ang ating vegetable salad. Iko-combine lang natin ito ng mabuti. Ready to serve na ito guys. Ilagay muna natin ito sa fridge para lumamig. Para sa ating fish paksiw, magad tayo ng ating slice maraming sibuyas, bawang, maraming loya at green chili, 5 parasong clove, vinegar, olive oil, and salt and pepper to taste. Nagad pa tayo ng ating magic sarap. So lulutuin lang natin ito guys. So healthy din ng ating masarap na paksiw na fish para sa ating breakfast. Antayin lang natin itong maluto. Luto na ito guys. Mag-ready tayo ng ating lakayan. Ready to serve, masarap at healthy paksiw na fish. Gagawa tayo ng ating hot drinks. Meron tayong onion tea and combined with green tea, slice of onion, loya, bawang at 5 parasong clove, ground pepper. Papakulin lang natin ito guys. Meron na tayong so healthy and so yummy hot drinks. Food is ready for masarap na breakfast. Kain tayo guys. Mapaparami tayo ng kain nito. Ready na ang ating food para sa ating breakfast. Para sa ating main dish, yung ating healthy paksyo na fish. At nag-build pa ako ng kamuti. Napakasarap din ng ating boiled kamuti. Nag-order pa ako ng pansit bami, mix bihon and canton. At meron pa itong lemon juice. Pwede tayo mag-squeeze ng lemon juice. Ang ating salad. So, healthy vegetable salad. For hot drinks, yung ating masarap na onion tea combined with green tea. So, healthy talaga ang ating hot drinks guys. And meron pa tayong buko juice, apple juice, and soft drinks. Nag-recap tayo guys. Napakarami nating food at napakayami pa lahat ng ating food. And please guys, don't forget to follow, like, comment, share. You can also subscribe to Let's Enjoy the Food. And thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Bye bye. Ingat po.